Hey everyone, welcome to Vet Visit. I'm Dr. Hansika Singh and I'm a veterinarian. So I know that a lot of you are waiting for the NEET 2022 counseling to get started, but till that time, why waste time? So in this video, I'm going to tell you that how you can make the best utilization of your time that will help you be more prepared and confident once you enter into veterinary college. Because sooner or later, these things would be taught to you, hence making things easier for you in the coming 5.5 years of your college. First and foremost, you should get to know about your veterinary curriculum, which means you should know about the subjects that you're going to study in the next 5.5 years and get an idea about what those subjects are. By doing so, you can start collecting information about some topics from different sources from now onwards. The information that you try to collect now from your end may not be very technical, but you will remember it and it would be useful for you in the long run. So when you go through the veterinary curriculum, you will come across different subjects like veterinary medicine, surgery, pharmacology, parasitology. If we talk about parasitology, for instance, just Google what are the common ecto and endoparasites present on a dog's or cat's or cattle buffalo's body. Go through the pictures. Next, start knowing with the basic normals, because if you don't know the normals, how would you understand the abnormals? Means start knowing with the basic normal vitals of various species of animals, like of domesticated animals like cattle, buffalo, sheep and goat, and pet animals like cats and dogs. Know about their normal body temperature, normal pulse rate, normal respiration rate, normal heart rate. Third, know the differences. You should know the basic differences between some species of animals like sheep and goat, cattle and buffalo, and be able to identify the species correctly and confidently. As lame as it may sound, but it is important to read about it if you don't know already. Because trust me, in my college, I have witnessed students struggling through this. Now, after memorizing the vitals and identifying the species, you should be able to identify the common breeds of different species like of cattle, buffalo, dogs and cats. Looking up for these images on internet is one of the best ways to learn it and save it on your phone in folders. And it's really going to help you during your LPM subject practical exams. Next, coming to terminologies. So till now you have been using layman terms for some common conditions like fever, vomishes, lack of appetite, low appetite, etc. But from now on, try replacing them with a medically related term for these. This way you are gearing yourself for the subject medicine. Moving on, try learning about some of the commonly used drugs for the treatment or control of some common conditions like fever, vomishes, bleeding, etc. Commonly used fluids, antiseptics and antimicrobials topically used for wound management. Of course, you can add so much to this list. And all this would come in the subject veterinary pharmacology, which you would be studying in your third professional year. Now, how you can learn this is definitely through the books and through the point which is next coming up in this list. Try visiting veterinary hospital, clinic, farms, shelters, gaushalas, whenever and as often as you can. If you tell them that you're a veterinary aspirant, the vets would be happy to have you there. So if you happen to start going there, try make an observation of the following things and if possible, write them down. Observe how the place functions. Also, what are the common cases, conditions or FAQs that the pet parents are coming up with to the vet. Also observe how the vet interacts with the pet parents and answer their queries. Try identifying the breeds that you have studied about. Also, if possible, go to their medicine counter and make a list of all the drugs that they're using. Also remember that for you right now it is important to remember and know the drug rather than the trade name. Learn about the deworming and vaccination schedule of different animals. Also, if you happen to go a large animal farm or a gaushala, then ask questions about what food are they giving to that animal and how much milk on an average that animal produces. And at last, to add more to the list, you can try arranging some notes from a friend of yours who is already studying in a veterinary college, or maybe through the Telegram groups where so much information is available, and definitely through the books. Some referral books are mentioned in the description box below. So indeed, there's a lot that you can start learning from right now, but it depends on you how much you want to delve into it. So that's it for this video. I hope that you liked it and it was useful for you at this point of time. And if it was, then please give it a thumbs up. Do share it with your friends and do subscribe to Vet Visit if you haven't already. Please do hit the bell icon so that you're always notified whenever a new video comes up. Follow the Instagram and Facebook page of Vet Visit as well. I'll see you next time. Till then, take care of yourselves and keep loving animals like you always do.